I am so glad to have you joining me here. So, who am I? I'm Ashley Evans and I will be your coach. What a lot of people don't know about me is that I'm not someone who was born confident in the spotlight. I'm in fact somebody who shies away from the camera. And getting to where I am today has taken some very difficult lessons, some hard work, and a lot of practice. Remember that communication skills is exactly that. It's a skill. It's something that is learnt and practiced over time. And I'm going to be teaching you a lot of tips and tricks to bring out the media master in you. I was born in South Africa, and when I was 18, I moved to America, where I studied a Master of Science in Communication at Lynn University in Boca Raton, Florida. I'd always had my heart set on Washington, D.C., and after college I moved there, where I worked on Capitol Hill, the heart of politics in the United States. After that, I made the move to broadcasting, and I worked at Al Jazeera English in Washington, D.C. I then returned to Cape Town, South Africa, where I joined CNBC Africa as a TV reporter and show host. After years of interviewing world leaders and top business executives who struggled on camera, I founded The King's Speech. And since 2012, we have been training people, such as yourself, how to be better on camera, how to improve their presentation skills, and how to handle a crisis. Now's your opportunity. So let's get started.